Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. We're going to show you how to fix your Ricoh if it prints something like a faded, call it faded printing, when the printing is messed up, like it doesn't mix colors well, right? So now we want to make it to be like pure to make like the color, so right. So what you do, the machine is a MPC 5503. Okay, yeah, okay, where we go, we press that yellow button, then press 8061882, then you press the C. Okay, when you press C, then you select the first one. It takes you here. Then let me see, I can't see. Okay, then you select SP direct. After that, then you select press 2 1, then hash, right? Then you come here, 4, okay, then say execute. So it's now running. You can see here say it was saying self-checking. After that you say exit, then you scroll down, get 1, select 1, then say execute. After that you say exit, then you say page 2, you say 3, then execute. After that you say exit, then you go to, you execute. Remember we did 4, after 4 we did 1, after 1 we did 3, after that we did 2. So after that we say exit, then you exit again, then everything's fine. So we're going to make some copies for you, print out. You can see this was the last one, it couldn't mix colors well, so I'm going to get to the right one. So it's printing. Okay, this one is super fine, but it wasn't color, so we're going to get you color. Look at this color, super fine color, 100%. You can see it's got it from YouTube and all that, so it doesn't print like a mess up like before. Yeah, well, that's it for now. So remember, the machine is MPC 5503. So you can see the previous color was not mixing up well, and now the color we have is 100%. So the machine is fine. Follow the steps we did, and then for now we'll see you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Yeah.
You need to give me the murder plan. Because all red marks will be white marks, red one and red right there. I'm murder truck. I tell my husband I'm buying this 1 liter of white paint, we're coming to paint it. He's going to paint it. I painted a lot of it. We bring the things. Oh, yeah. How long? I just you say we'll see where. Actually, I'm going to put just mix in my chocolate chip batch. Yes, I just
First, one of the children is standing on the corner just checking.